In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable contacts on Snapchat. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is basically just open the settings. So I'm going to drag this one here and then tap the settings here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click the apps. And here in the apps, I'm going to go ahead and look for Snapchat. All right, there is the app itself, and then we're going to head over to permissions, and there is the contacts. Now, we're just going to deny this as of the moment, and you should be able to see it down here. Now, again, we have denied contacts, so we're going to head over back to our Snapchat. Alright, now that you are seeing something like this down below, what's gonna happen is you're just going to deny it just like so, and then we're gonna go ahead and open our Bitmoji here in the upper left, and then we're gonna open the gear icon. After opening the gear icon, I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and we're gonna go ahead and look for the option that says contacts syncing. So again, for Android users, you should be able to see contact syncing. If you are using, say for example, an iOS device, then it's just gonna say contacts. Now again, I'm gonna go ahead and click that one, and here you should be able to see the contacts that are already uploaded here in Snapchat. If you're gonna tap this one, down below there is an option to remove that though, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna click this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and confirm. So it basically deletes all of those contacts uploaded here on Snapchat. Again, that is how you are going to do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.